Hello and welcome to English Unlocked. My name is Daniel and I'm happy you're here. Today's lesson is called 100 Everyday Spoken Phrases. These are simple, natural phrases that people use in everyday English. You can listen while walking, relaxing, or doing something at home. If you want, you can repeat after me. If not, just listen and get used to the sound of English. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Block 1. Daily conversation. Repeat after me. 1. How are you doing? 2. I'm doing fine, thanks. 3. What's going on? 4. Not much, really. 5. How's your day going? 6. It's going pretty well. 7. Long time no see. 8. Nice to see you again. 9. What have you been up to? 10. I've been quite busy. 11. That makes sense. 12. I know what you mean. 13. Sounds good to me. 14. Let me think about it. 15. I'll get back to you. 16. No worries at all. 17. Take your time. 18. That's totally fine. 19. I agree with you. 20. I'm not sure about that. 21. Maybe you're right. 22. Let's see what happens. 23. I didn't expect that. 24. That's interesting. 25. Good to know. Block 2. Polite and social phrases. Repeat after me. 26. Excuse me for a moment. 27. Sorry about that. 28. No problem at all. 29. Thank you so much. 30. I really appreciate it. 31. You're very kind. 32. That's very helpful. 33. Thanks for letting me know. 34. I'm glad to hear that. 35. I'm happy to help. 36. Please take a seat. 37. After you. 38. Feel free to ask. 39. Just a second, please. 40. Could you help me? F1. Would you mind repeating that? 42. I didn't quite catch that. 43. Could you say it again? 44. That's very nice of you. 45. I owe you one. 46. Don't mention it. 47. It was my pleasure. 48. I understand, thank you. 49. That's okay with me. 50. I really appreciate your time. Block 3. Daily life and work. Repeat after me. 51. I'm on my way. 52. I'll be there soon. 53. I'm running a bit late. 54, let's start. 55, let's take a break. 56, I'll check and let you know. 57, that works for me. 58, let's do it this way. 59, we'll talk later. 60, I'll call you back. Spion, I'll send you a message. 62, let me know when you're ready. 63, I'm almost done. 64, give me a moment. 65, I'll take care of it. 66, it's not a big deal. 67, we'll figure it out. 68, that's a good idea. 69, let's give it a try. 70, I'm working on it. 71, I need a bit more time. 72, thanks for your patience. 73, that makes things easier. 74, everything is ready. 75, let's move on. Block 4, feelings and opinions. Repeat after me. 76, I feel the same way. 77, I'm really happy about that. 78, I'm a bit tired today. 79, I'm excited about it. 80, I'm looking forward to it. 81, that makes me happy. 82, that worries me a little. 83, I'm not comfortable with that. 84, I'm proud of you. 85, I'm grateful for that. 86, I'm doing my best. 87, I need some rest. 88, I feel much better now. 89, that means a lot to me. 90, I need to think about it. 1, I'm not ready yet. 92, I'll try my best. 93, I believe in myself. 94, I'm learning every day. 95, I'm getting better. 96, practice really helps. 97, I feel more confident now. 98, English is getting easier. 99, I enjoy learning English. 100, I'll keep practicing. Great job. You've just listened to 100 everyday spoken English phrases. Don't worry if you don't remember everything. The more you listen, the more natural English will feel. Come back and practice again whenever you want. Little by little, your English will improve. Thank you for listening to English Unlocked. Keep learning, keep growing. See you next time.